This tutorial I'm going to show you how to change this image from this to this. Welcome to another fantastic episode, and today we are going to create a fantastic background blur in Photoshop. This is with this simple trick. So what I want you to do is to import any picture of yours, and you're going to create all this background blur together. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So after importing your image, what I want you to do is to create a duplicate. So Command J or Control J on Windows. Okay, from this to filter, convert for smart filters. Okay, you will see this small terminal right here. Don't worry about that. Come back to filter. This time go to blur color and choose path blur. Let's look at that. Now, what I want you to do is to move these points. Okay, another add, then bring this point down like this, then move this to create something like a circular. Okay, this is perfect. Now create another point and move it down here. So let's move it up a bit, then create another circle round and around here. I think it's perfect. So now what I want you to do is, let's play around the hair a bit. Let's remove this, create something right here, and try to do some XK right here. Now draw another point, try to move like an S shape. You still create some also right here again, and try to play around it again, and try to create some shape, and create a point here and create another shape on the way. It will be like an S shape. Also draw right here and try to play around the points. Okay, just a little bit, increase a little bit here. I think this is okay. So when you are satisfied with this, okay, try to create, you click on it. Okay. Perfect. So now what I want you to do is look at how the image is looking. When you zoom in, look at this. This is where the magic is going to start to happen. Now, with that layer select, create a mask. Okay. Now, after creating that mask, make sure this is set to what? Black. And take your brush tool, select it, and make sure the flow is about 10 or 20%. 12, 10, 11, that is okay. Now let me decrease the size of the brush because it's too big. And now start to paint where you want to be in focus. So I want the face so that people will see what is happening. So we start moving. Let's look at this. Let's look at that. Just look at this. Perfect. So this was before, and this is after. So we created a fantastic what? Blur background in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Get some pictures, try to be creative, and try creating always and be perfect. Okay, so this is the end for this tutorial. See you again in my next tutorial. Take care and stay safe.